In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter markups in Bluebeam. Filtering your markups is a quick way to cut through clutter and focus on exactly what you need, whether that's comments from a specific teammate, a certain status like completed or pending, or just markups in a particular color. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can do this confidently every time. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Once your file is open, you'll be working inside Revu's interface with the document visible and your tools available. This ensures Revu can read all the annotations and display them in the list we're about to use. Next, click the Markups List panel at the bottom of the screen. This panel is your master table of every annotation on the document. You'll see columns such as author, subject, color, status, and more. Think of this as a spreadsheet of your markups. It's sortable, searchable, and most importantly, filterable. Inside the Markups list, click the filter icon, which looks like a funnel. This opens the filter menu for the list. You'll use this to tell Revu exactly which markups you want to see. Choose how you want to filter. You can filter by author to focus on one person's notes, by subject to group similar markup types or categories, by color to isolate markups that were color-coded for meaning, or by status to review items marked as completed, in progress, or needs review. You can select just one of these or combine multiple criteria if you need a tighter result. Now select the specific values you want to see. For example, pick the name of the author you're reviewing, choose a particular color like yellow or red, or select the status you care about. You can include multiple values under a single category if you want a broader view. If you end up with an empty list, it simply means no markups match the choices you picked. Adjust your selections and try again. When you're ready, click apply, or simply close the filter menu. Either way, your markups list updates to reflect your choices. The filters only affect what you see in the list. They don't change or delete the underlying markups in the document. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, open the markups list, click the funnel icon, choose your criteria, pick the values, and apply. Filtering becomes even more powerful when your team uses consistent authors, subjects, and statuses. So consider aligning those conventions for cleaner results.